Everybody, welcome to another video
of the Electric Bros. So, we're playing Angry Birds. And I want to start off with Golden Egg.
Golden Egg.
This seems cool.
Yeah, I like the Angry Birds.
Can I? I don't think I can do it. Let's do Bad Pigs. What happened? Okay. So,
Bad Pigs
wait.
stole their eggs.
And then split into 30. They got a diamond right there. I want that diamond. I'm going to poop out an egg because I want that diamond.
And
at least I get the diamond, right?
I think we failed pretty badly. Can I have a turn? Can I have a turn?
Just 1 second. I have to get that diamond.
You can't get a diamond. It's against the law.
Yay, I get the diamond.
You can't get a diamond. It's against the law.
It's not against the law. Anyway, why can't I just do this? I want a desert level.
I only got one. Okay.
Birdie party.
Oh, let me try this one. I need to try this one.
Oh no, they ate all my cake.
Oh, you want to steal my cake?
No, they ate the cake.
Oh, seriously? Sorry.
Hey, he has a paper mache hat.
Oh, that's what I could get.
Yeah, you don't know how to be a bird master.
Ah!
That is a giant chair. I am not gonna lie. That is a giant chair and a giant table. You are never gonna be a bird master. Why would you do that? Why would you do that? Wait, what's this? No. Oh, why would he? Did you see what he just did?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a second. Have you noticed that the world's full of cake and candy?
Oh. No, I haven't. That's pretty hard to notice.
Not really.
Wait.
Please let that...
Yay!
We win.
Yeah.
The only thing is, I think... Wait. That counts? Yes.
Okay. Chucks.
I have so many chucks.
Wait, the birds could duplicate themselves? I didn't know that.
Yeah, birds can duplicate themselves. I think. Maybe these are all brothers.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't notice that there were pigs flying.
Oh, I hate pigs. I hate pigs when they fly. No,
Oh,
just that one
I have
pig.
to restart.
Just that one pig. We needed.
It crushed you.
Zippy zip bow. He thinks he's so awesome with his chuck.
He is awesome with his chuck thing. No!
This level's so hard.
Do it again. This world is made out of cakes.
Cakes and bread.
Cake, bread. Well, wait. I don't want bread. I want candy and sugar. And don't forget...
Candy, sugar, spice?
No, don't forget dirt.
Oh, why would you eat dirt if you're a bad?
Because it's a neutral flavor, I think.
Oh, come on. Can I have a turn now? I gotta have a turn.
Not now.
No.
I have to destroy these pigs for eating all my cake.
Wow, they like cake. Can't you share?
No, I never share.
Why?
I'm a bird.
Yes! We beat
When I do my
the land
survival,
of insaneness.
when I get my food, the food is for me. I'm a bird. What is that? Yay, we passed. Turn now.
Oh, he got the unicorn.
There's a unicorn? Ah, don't destroy it.
You still a little.
It could,
I'm setting myself away.
it could be possibly from... I don't... Well, I like unicorns, okay? If I had to ride a horse or a unicorn, it would definitely be a unicorn.
Hey, that's what I would choose. Whee! I can fly, bubble.
Fine. But I had to
I took
choose.
the head.
Then you're gonna make me choose a horse. I don't want no horse. I want
Boom.
Unicorn. Unicorns are so awesome.
They're awesome.
They can fart into the sky with their rainbows.
Yeah. No. This level's so hard.
Let me try. Because I know how to do things with bubbles.
Ah.
Dude.
He pops into
You took off the unicorn's legs. You destroyed the unicorn? What kind of sick monster are you?
Yeah.
Don't you dare shoot backwards. Don't do that. Yeah.
Boom.
Give me that.
No, it's not fair.
It is fair. Yeah. And fall over. That's what you get because, well, I don't think you get that. Wait, that barely did anything. And no, that filthy greedy pig. I'm going to kill him. Don't think you got away with it. No! That was a terrible shot. That was literally terrible. Floating into bubbles. Hehe. And then, boom. Does he get crushed? No! I am so gonna ruin him. I can't believe that was a little pig. Wait, can I shoot this bird?
Oh no, you can't. Oh.
I wanted to shoot him.
Sometimes before it'll tell my score.
Ew, spiders! Ew, ew, ew. Oh,
you bond too early.
That was a dumb idea. I am going to blow up these spiders. It's necessary. Oh, come on.
Should have ate. Oh, Mama Pig hates spiders.
Of course she hates spiders. No. We have to do it again.
I'm a spider boy. My legs.
Good.
Awesome.
I cannot beat this.
Oh, no. Come
Forget
on.
it. He's not gonna die.
He's bruised. He got to.
That was a useless bird.
She pooped on herself.
She pooped on her own self.
Wait, well, that was.
I don't even know if that's even possible. Cake.
Oh, I think that is. I think it works with pants.
That was pretty useless too.
Oh, come on, you gotta let me try.
No.
I'm good at master. We blew him up. Oh, oh, that's pretty cool. Boom. Yes, we did it.
Yeah.
To success.
Wait. And there was only one bird left. Is that even possible?
Yes, that's possible. Okay, my turn. My turn.
No, not yet.
Hey, yeah.
Ew, strawberries. I don't want no strawberries. I want cake and ice cream and...
If I had a choice between strawberries and cake, it's strawberries.
You made
Mama
a terrible
Pig.
choice.
Wait. My blood was in me. Oh no. No. We ruined the fortress. How do we do this?
Wait a second, I thought of something. We have to make an Angry Bird series. Next, we have to make Angry Bird Star Wars. And then next, we have to make Angry Bird Epic, Angry Bird Transformers, Angry Bird all that stuff.
I don't think we... Do we even have those games?
No, but I'm going to download them
If
one
you
by
can.
one.
You know what?
And we are going to make a whole series of Angry Birds if you like Angry Birds.
I'm Chuck.
That's not Chuck.
I know, Chuck's the
That's
other
one of those annoying little birdie dudes.
Oh yeah, I do have Wed's car with Wed in it. The Angry Bird Wed, not just the color red.
I'm
Wed
going.
is the color.
I'm going into a different.
No. Oh.
I'm going into a different room. Now don't destruct anything while I'm gone. Don't destroy that much.
No, that was just one pig that fell. Oh yeah. No.
Oh yeah, by the way, viewers, watchers, I am not holding a sword.
He's holding a sword.
I'm not holding a Minecraft sword.
He's holding a Minecraft sword.
It's not true.
Not
I'm
true.
just holding it for safekeeping.
Oh, it pooped on that pig.
Hiya. How did I even craft this?
Oh, don't you remember we got that crafting table?
Yeah, but there's no plastic in Minecraft. At least I don't think there is. There's wood, stone. Nah, I don't think there's plastic.
Mama. No.
I didn't just transform the sword into
He
a
transformed the sword into a pickaxe.
pickaxe. Come on, there's diamond ore right there. I want to mine some.
Oh, no. Yes, to success!
What have you been doing?
Destroying the whole fortress.
Why did you do that?
See, I destroyed it off. Nothing left.
You are terrible. My turn.
I got 3 stars. Oh yes, don't destroy
Whoa,
anything where
we get a different bird. Why do all these birds have
Who's a different bird? Who's a different bird?
This bird.
Oh, I love that one. I love him.
Oh, he gets fat. That's his superpower. That's a terrible superpower.
Oh, I love that superpower.
Getting
Chuck, you're a
fat.
failure.
Getting fat. You love that superpower, getting fat.
I like it. Because I'm crabby.
Fatness. And then Chuck, you were totally useless.
He's the uselessest of all of Angry Birds.
He's not.
He's the
Wait,
worst.
I don't need to do that. Ugh. Fat bird. Oh my god, he got butt cheeks when he does that.
Oh yeah, and we will
His face is a butt when he does that.
Oh yeah, and we will I will try to show you my Angry Bird car with Wed in it. He is the color Wed, but his name is Wed.
Yeah, we'll do Angry Birds Go. That's the last one.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I can still do it without that trophy.
Wait, that's like Pokemon Go.
Oh yeah. Instead of catching Pokemon, you catch Angry Birds.
I don't know if we'll be doing Pokemon Go for our game channel because we got us sort of too far without making the videos with you guys.
Yeah, we're kind of like, we haven't gone that far. We've gone like 2 months
I've gone
ago.
so far.
Like maybe 2 months ago we
Now,
started.
this is my last word. This bird is going to show my honor of appreciative.
No.
By slamming into cake.
He loves... Oh.
It would have been cool if it destroyed the whole thing. That would be really cool.
Yeah.
But here's Fat Bird.
He's my favorite.
Fat Bird's your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
I'll call him Fat Bird. I'll call this bird.
Chuck.
No.
Yellow.
I'm going to call him Smashing the Cake Bird. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
And then... You ate all the cake. That one piece of wood. Where's it gonna land? Well, that's all we got for today. And we'll be doing some more Angry Birds videos. So we hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. So yeah, bye.